In this video, we will learn about compound interest. Before coming to the topic, we recapitulate some basic things like principal, that is the money borrowed or lended, amount means principal plus interest. In previous class, we have learned about simple interest. What is simple interest? It is interest calculated on original money or principal for any given time and rate. Then what is compound interest? Compound interest keeps changing every year or any other fixed period. It may be half yearly or quarterly. So we can say that difference between final amount and the original principal is called compound interest. You may write difference between final amount and original principal is called as compound interest. In general language, we can explain simple interest and compound interest as simple interest is just interest on the principal. Simple interest is interest of principal, only main principal, and compound interest means interest on principal as well as interest of interest after few years. For example, you just think there are two banks, bank A and bank B. See the condition. Any person lended money where the principal was 10,000, rate was 5%, time was 2 years. The bank provides simple interest, so we need to find out what will be the interest provided by bank A. In bank B, the amount is same, 10,000, rate was 5%, time is again 2 year only, but bank provide compound interest. We have to find out what is the difference, which bank gives us more benefit. In first case, we will find out simple interest, and you all knew the formula, that was P into R into T divided by 100. Putting the values of P, R and T, what we will get here, 5 to get 10, so rupee 1000 simple interest will be given by bank to the person on 10,000 rupees principal. For bank B, what we'll see, compound interest will be compounded yearly. For first year we will solve get the interest. For second year the principal will be changed. What is that? Let's see. For first year, interest will be again the same formula, PRT by 100. Actually for first year the interest will be same, it may be SI or it may be CI. Here P is 10,000, rate is 5, because we are solving the sum for 1 year, so time will be 1 year, so it is rupees 500. First year the bank will give rupees 500 to the person. For second year, what is the principal? For second year, principal will be 10,000, that is the original principal, plus interest of first year. That's why we are telling you that in simple interest, for any year, it may be 2 years, for number of years the principal will be same, but for compound interest every year the principal will be changed. Now for second year the principal will be 10,500 rupees, not 10,000. 10,000 is for first year. For second year the bank will give interest on this money also, that is interest on interest, interest on principal as well as interest on this money. That's why it is called as compounded interest. Now what is the interest for second year? It will be, again the formula is PRT upon 100. Now P will be 10,500 into rate is 5, time again 1 year upon 100, 0 0 cancelled, Here 5 5 are 25, 500. So for first year the interest was 500 rupees. Second year the interest will be 525 rupees. So total compound interest is what? We will add both years interest. It is 500 plus 525. So it is rupees 1025 rupees. See the difference between both the interest. Principal was same, rate was same, timing was same. Only the change in one thing, and that is SI and CI. Here bank has to pay 1000 rupees after 2 years to the person who has submitted rupees 10,000, but in bank B, bank will provide that person 1025 rupees. From where this 25 rupees extra came? From this, because compound interest means every year we will get interest of our interest also, right? So that is the difference between SI and CI. We can solve few sums of exercise 2.1.